Hey, entrepreneurs, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of turning your business from zero into $1 million empire, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the proven tips and strategies that can help you scale your business to $10 million. Yes, you heard that right. So, grab a notebook, and let's get started. Start with a solid foundation. First things first, to build a multi-million-dollar business, you need a solid foundation. It all begins with clarity about your vision and purpose. Ask yourself, what problem are you solving? Why should people choose your business over the competition? Getting your foundation right will help you stay focused as you grow. And remember, clarity attracts customers. Start with a well-thought-out business plan. Make sure it's specific, measurable, and adaptable. Set realistic goals and track your progress. A clear strategy is essential for navigating the road to success. Find your niche and own it. Now, let's talk about the importance of finding your niche. It's tempting to go broad, but success often comes from laser-focused targeting. Identify a specific audience with a pain point you can solve better than anyone else. Once you find your niche, you can build a brand that speaks directly to those customers. Don't try to please everyone. You need to be the expert in your niche and own it. People love buying from specialists, not generalists. Build a strong online presence. In today's world, your online presence is everything. If you're not visible online, you're missing out on a huge pool of potential customers. Invest time in building your website, creating high-quality social media content, and engaging with your audience. Don't just focus on attracting followers, engage with them. Respond to comments, create value-driven content, and build a community around your brand. The more engaged your audience, the more likely they are to become paying customers. Focus on customer experience. One thing that separates successful businesses from the rest is their ability to provide an outstanding customer experience. Going above and beyond for your customers leads to loyalty, repeat business, and word-of-mouth referrals, which are invaluable when scaling. Deliver exceptional service, communicate transparently, and always ask for feedback. Happy customers not only return but also become your biggest advocates. Leverage technology and automation. At this stage, leveraging technology and automation is crucial. With the right tools, you can scale without burning out. Use automation for repetitive tasks like email marketing, inventory management, and social media scheduling. This frees up your time so you can focus on growing your business. Implementing systems and using software solutions can save time, reduce human error, and help your business run smoothly as it grows. Master sales and marketing. When it comes to growing your business, mastering sales and marketing is non-negotiable. Focus on strategies that bring the highest return on investment. Whether it's social media ads, SEO, or influencer partnerships, you need a marketing plan that's scalable and measurable. And remember, the most important thing is conversion. It's not about how many leads you get, but how many of them turn into paying customers. Focus on nurturing leads through the entire sales funnel. Build a strong team. As your business grows, you'll quickly realize you can't do everything alone. Building a strong team is essential. Hire people who are not only skilled but are also aligned with your vision and company culture. Your team will be the backbone of your success. Surround yourself with people who complement your strengths and fill in the gaps where needed. Remember, the right team can multiply your efforts exponentially. Scaling and diversification. Once you're ready, it's time to think about scaling. This means expanding your offerings, reaching new markets, or even launching new products. Diversifying your revenue streams will help protect your business from market fluctuations and create more opportunities for growth. Scale smartly and efficiently, always focusing on maintaining quality while expanding. Monitor, adapt, and optimize. The business world is constantly changing, so you need to keep a close eye on your performance. Regularly monitor key metrics and optimize your processes. Don't be afraid to adapt when something isn't working. Successful businesses are always evolving. Be open to feedback and embrace change. The ability to pivot quickly and make improvements is what will help you sustain growth in the long run. And that's a wrap. Growing your business from $0 to $10 million is no small feat, but with the right strategies, mindset, and a lot of determination, it's absolutely achievable. Follow these tips, stay consistent, and keep pushing forward. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another video on how to grow your business. Also, drop a comment below telling us which tip you're going to implement first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, business success is all about strategy, consistency, and passion. Keep going, and you'll get there.